Step number 1, learn how to sell everything. Do some courses, go and sell something by yourself, watch videos on YouTube, find a mentor to teach you how to sell, go in a business and learn how to sell. This is very first step in every business that you want to start. Step number 2, find the idea that is matched to your passion and skills. For example, if you want to start a business about coding or web developing and you don't have enough resources and money to hire a good web developer, programmer, or UX designer, UI designer, you have to at least learn about one of these things. Coding, designing. You cannot hire anyone else. Or even your background is about designing. It would be better to start a business in designing. So then you can find a very good idea in your own field because you know about this field. Step number 3, conduct your research about your idea and its market and make sure there is still market in your niche. I don't know, you have read the Ikigai book. I really suggest that you should read it. You have skills, passion, and the thing that people want, the thing that people pay for it. There are a bunch of wonderful ideas in the world that no one cares about them and no one pays for them. Yeah, they are interesting, they are good, they are attractive, they are mind-blowing, but unfortunately, this is business. And in business, if no one pays, there would be no business. Step number 4, if you find my content informative, don't forget to boop that like button and subscribe to my channel. And give me more ideas about creating content in business and marketing. But real step number 4 is team building. Make a great team as much as you can. Yeah, I know these days solo partnership is very trend and everybody wanna be a solopreneur. But if you have good leadership skills, if you can connect people together, if you can manage people, working with a team can skyrocket your business. But hard point of team building is this: you should find some people that they're committed to business, they're committed to project. Mostly when you're gonna start your first business, you don't have enough money. So you should write a great business plan and then you should convince team members that this business will work. Then instead of giving them money or salary to them, you can start the business together. They can be a shareholder of this business. Step number 5, money. Make sure that you have saved enough money for next 6 months or 1 year. Not only for your business, for your own costs and expenses. Almost none of the business in the world will be profitable at the very first day or even very first month, or sometimes even for 6 months. You will struggle to find good clients and find good income of your business. So make sure that you have enough money to pay your bills, to pay your rents, to buy equipment, to spend on advertising, which is very, very, very important, or even your own expenses like at your home. I'm not talking about office, at least for 6 months. Step number 6 and bonus tip for the people who watched up to here. If your business worked well and suddenly you see great income in your business, do not increase your expenses. This will bankrupt you. Wait for 6 months. So many entrepreneurs decide to, okay, this is the time that we should hire a programmer, hire a professional, I don't know, team, manager. Oh, okay, let's find a bigger office. So they will increase the expenses of the business. Unfortunately, sometimes these incomes are trend. Your business start working, then your business start to having more income, but maybe it's seasonal. It's a trend. Your income is here, and then you start increase your expenses, and suddenly trend would pass, and your income will go down suddenly. Now here you are with so many expenses that you need to pay, but your income has decreased. Before increasing your expenses, make sure that this income will continue for next 1 year, 6 months, 2 years even. Then you can, of course, then you can hire a programmer, then you can find bigger office for yourself. But if you have no idea about how to start a business and you have no skills, no money, and nothing else, I have created a video about how to start a business from scratch, and I gave some real examples in this video. Make sure to watch this video and see you in the next video.